When it comes to roofing services in Surrey, we're proud to be a trusted name. Astral Roofing and Building Ltd offers reliable tile roofing solutions that you can count on, always at competitive prices. We understand that investing in your property is a big decision, and we're here to make sure you get the most out of your investment. We believe in offering value to our customers. Here's why you should consider us for your tile roofing needs. Reliability. Our team is committed to delivering high-quality workmanship on every job we undertake. We stand behind our work and ensure that every tile is properly installed to withstand the elements. Competitive pricing. We're not just about top-notch quality, but also about affordability. Our competitive pricing makes us an attractive option for those looking to invest in their property without breaking the bank. Expertise. With years of experience in the industry, we have the knowledge and skills necessary to handle any tile roofing project. We can confidently tackle any roofing challenge, ensuring you get the best possible results every time. So when it's time to replace or repair your tile roof, trust the reliable experts at Astral Roofing and Building Ltd. We're committed to providing quality services at competitive prices. Your satisfaction is our top priority.